Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the NestJS. In this video series, we are going to learn about connection with TypeORM Postgres, login, register, and the CRUD operation. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share, and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to make a connection between the database like Postgres and the TypeORM. So let's see how we are going to do that. So let's get started. So here, first of all, when we create this one, let me oh, scroll this up. Okay, so this is the structure. Okay, auth, where we have the APIs like login. Okay, then we have a users for like sign up process, and then we have a CRUD operations. So first we are going to connect with the DB. So that is the main important. So that is we have in the config. So config database I have created, then this is the config module. Okay, so where we have the config service. Okay, so providers is config service and export postgres config module. Okay, so here we have the all the details here. So here you can see that what we have used: NestJS common injectable, config service from the NestJS config, TypeORM module from the NestJS TypeORM, snake naming strategy from the TypeORM naming strategies. So here we are using the snake naming strategies for naming our variables. So here we have the export this class private and create type ORM options. Okay, so here we are returning the full-fledged database object with the type, host, port, username, password, database, entities, naming strategy, synchronize, auto load, or you can make it like log true or false also. So okay, so this is the configuration file. So make sure config module.ts, config service.ts should be there and this to be import into our main module, that is app module.ts. So this is the app module.ts where we are using this one. So it's in the imports, config module, root is global true, type ORM module, this should be there, for root async, imports postgres config module. So this is postgres config module, this one, and this you can already know that this is already configured here. So this is post imports postgres config module, and the use class is postgres config service. This is, you can see that we have a service for creating the type ORM options, then we are injecting the postgres service. Okay, this one. Then after that we have the different modules that we are using over here, and then controllers, providers, and app module. Okay, after doing this one you are able to connect to the DB, to the database. I will show you. Otherwise when it is not connecting, okay, so it will throw you the error that the DB is not connected. If I put something wrong over here like and I'm not putting all of this, then what happen? It will not going to connect with the DB, right? So make sure these all settings will be done, and then you can run the database. In that note, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section, because I have already checked this one and it's working. And in the next video, we are going to talk about how to register API with the TypeORM Postgres with JWT. So let's see in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.